In this video, I will modify some rear door panels from a BMW E90. I have here behind me 4 door panels, 4 rear door panels. These beautiful ones with the beautiful leather are from the car. That ones are from scrapyard. Someone will do a top hi-fi retrofit on a BMW E90, that will not be me, but I will do the modification for the rear door, because the rear doors will need to have some speakers in them. So for this I will need some donor panels, for some brackets, and of course the rear speakers. You can see on these panels there is only one loudspeaker, because that car was equipped only with hi-fi. On these panels I will have one speaker like here, but on top of that I will have a small hole for a tweeter, because this will be top hi-fi. So if you want to see how I will do this modification, we are in the right place. Also here I have a set with a loudspeaker for top hi-fi and a tweeter. I have only one set because I will need them only for fitment purposes. I will start with the donor part. First I will remove the bracket. You can see this is the bracket that I will need to mount on the other panels. And you can see on this panel there is only the loudspeaker, because I told you this car was equipped only with hi-fi. And I will only need to do the hole for the tweeter and for the loudspeaker in these panels. But fortunately the panels are pre-drilled for the loudspeaker from factory. The first layer of the panel, you can see here. This is a nice job for me, because it will be easier. I will need to make the hole in the second panel, and of course for the tweeter. The second panel is the panel with the leather. I will need to be very careful not to destroy the leather and to try to make this as factory possible job. Okay, need to remove the speaker first. These have 3 screws, 3 nuts with 8mm. Now I can remove the speaker. And you can see the difference between hi-fi and top hi-fi. And also the top hi-fi have this tweeter that is connected here. And this is the system that this tweeter will be mounted on the panel. And of course you can see this flange from here for the tweeter alignment. Next step, I need to remove the front grille. And the front grille, it's very easy to be removed. Now, if I have removed the speaker, of course, you can see it have these clips. This is the front grille. You can see, have these clips. Next, this bracket. This is glued on the panel, so I will try to see if I will be able to unglue it. Yeah, it's going. It's going, but will be a fight. Let me try with hot air. I'll go to 50 degrees Celsius. it's working little by little. Perfect. Now I will need to clean a little bit this surface. Nice. I didn't finish yet with this panel because I will need to make a template for this hole, because you can see it's different. Okay, for the template I will need a piece of cardboard. And now with my cardboard template, let me see. I need to oops. I think this will be fine. Now I will trace everything. Not too great, not too terrible. Now I need to cut. To do that, I will try to use these things. Perfect. I have a negative and a positive template here. So I think it's perfect. Let me see this. What do you say? For the first try? Great. I will do here a mark. Like so. As you can see, here there is a notch different from the rest of them. Okay, this is done. I'll repeat the process with this one. You can see here, this one is not even perfectly aligned. You can see here versus here. Bellissimo. Let me see if this template will match this hole. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, now I will start to prepare the brackets. Finally, after 20 minutes of work, the brackets are prepared. Next step, the door panels. Something like that. Here I need to align this tab in the center of this groove. And nice. I have here a small trace and one here. I will try to repair them later. Okay, now to cut the holes. Let me see. This one. This. Okay, first I will make some holes in the corners. Perfect. Okay, I think I will try to cut them with this oscillating tool. Oh, this is working perfectly. Me like it. Now this one. And at the end I will make these notches from here. Here it's a little bit more difficult because the area is a little bit smaller and I have two layers of this material. See if I have cut the first layer. No, they are glued together. If I will use the smaller blade, I think I will use the smaller blade. Whew. You can see here the material, it's glued where the stitches. Perfect. Something like that. Now I will concentrate on these notches. Okay, now I will vacuum this mess. Okay, and last step is to cut the leather. And to be very careful. Oh, it's easier from the other side. I need to, let me see if I'm able to show you. I need to keep the leather between my two fingers. Yes. So. Something like that. You see. Amazing. Me like it. Yeah, beautiful. You see, and this one will come in here. Oh, not this one, but this one. Yeah. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now this big one. I think on the big one the same. I will cut it around and the notch areas won't be a very big problem. So the same, I will need to keep the leather with my fingers. I need to be very careful not to stab. Okay, now the moment of the truth. Let's see the orientation. No, it's not this one. From what I remember, it was something like this. No. Something like this. I like it. First I want to clean this mesh because it's dirty. This is perfect. And with this one here, what happened? Nothing happened. I will put this aside and I will start with the next one. And again, align the hole with the bracket. All around is perfect. Align the bracket with the door panel. Here is perfect. Now here I will trace the hole. something like that. And the same, I think, let me see, this is the donor part and the notch is here. That means it's here. Okay. Okay, let me start with this one. Okay, now I will finish these notches and after that I will cut the entire hole. Next I will replace the blade if I will find it. Almost done. Let me see, where is this? Okay. Little by little, the job will be done. Now I will clean the edges. Something like that. Next step. Okay, now I will cut the leather. Perfect. Nice. Next, I want to check the mesh to see if it's fitting. I think it's the other way around. Yes, this is the way. Yeah. down. Okay, now I will need to glue this bracket here. Okay, now to glue this part, I'll use this type of adhesive. This is the only thing that I have now. Maison Kit Super Strong, the ideal solution for a great range of repairs and do-it-yourself jobs. Okay. And of course I will use some hot glue for the exterior perimeter, because I'm pretty sure that this one will be good, but won't be so strong like the glue used from the factory. And also from here I will need these clamps. First thing, I wanna to trace out the exterior. Something like that. Enough, because I will need for the other door and I don't have too much left. Okay, and perfect. And now I will wait 10 minutes for this glue to cure. Okay, after 10 minutes the glue is dried. I need to align the bracket and push it. Yeah, it's perfect. For the moment I will mount this tweeter, because I will use it as a clamp. Like so. I will mount two clamps, and in this area here the tweeter will keep in place this bracket, no problem. But in this area here I will scratch the surface. Something like that. For this job I will use my reworking station, the hot air gun from this. Let me move you on this side. And I think this will do the job. Okay, next, that one.
Minutes later.
And again, the glue is dry. Something like that. The same story on this side. On the Twitter as a clamp. Perfecto. This hot glue here, it's more like an insurance. Will help the main glue to keep this bracket in place. And we'll keep this bracket in place until the main glue will dry up, will perfectly dry up. And finally, this one is also done. Okay, the first one, the glue is cold. Can remove the clamps. Now I can put for the last time the mesh back in place. Okay, now the speaker. So Now I'll put back the clips. Something like that. Next, the nuts, if I will find them. And also this one is done. Before I will end this video, I want to repair this from here. I'll use the hot air gun. It's a little bit better. And this one here, the same. After this job, I have here some samples. I have leather sample. This is very beautiful leather. Padding, wick. Some door card material. This is not cardboard. Also, I have black leather and why not stitching. The door panels are amazing. They are beautiful. You can see here the difference: top hi-fi with 2 speakers or Logic7 and hi-fi simple. By the way, off camera, I have done some holes here for lighting. And with this, I will end this video here. The only thing that have remained to do now is to give these panels back to the owner to mount them on the car. And this is all. If you like what I have done with these panels, show me by hitting the like button. Thank you for watching these videos. Thank you for being with me. And until next time, stay awesome. Bye now.